jaw-dropping new clues. We're talking metals, weird light halos, layered gas clouds, and that insane water loss now confirmed is one of the strongest ever recorded while still hundreds of millions of miles from the sun. So let's walk through what's real and where the speculation still lives. Astronomers confirm 3I-ATLAS is bleeding water into space like a frozen volcano. That level of outgassing this far from the sun has never been seen before, and it means the comet is far more active and possibly much larger than early models predicted. How big? Based on brightness and how little its path has shifted, it's estimated to be roughly half a mile wide. That's big enough to swallow a city block, but nowhere near the multi-mile monster some online posts have claimed. That explains why it's shedding huge amounts of gas and dust, but barely budging from its trajectory. So what's making it so different? Infrared readings show its outer cloud, what astronomers call the coma. It's loaded with carbon dioxide and traces of metals like nickel. That mix doesn't match normal comets, which are mostly frozen water and rock. Scientists think that combination points to an object formed in a much colder, more distant system, maybe around a red dwarf or dying star where metals condense differently. That would explain why it carries more nickel and gas than comets formed near our own sun. Then there are the new processed images blowing up online. You've probably seen the one showing a glowing circular shape, almost like a saucer, but that's not a mothership. It's infrared light showing the comet's layers of gas expanding outward, almost like smoke rings. Those rings happen when different materials heat up and vent at different times. Heavy elements first, lighter gases later. Still, it's wild to see it so clearly. We get our next look at the end of October when 3I-ATLAS makes its closest pass to the sun, still about 130 million miles away. But that's when NASA's James Webb Telescope, Hubble, and Chile's Very Large Telescope will capture the sharpest images yet. It usually takes a week or two to process and release the data, so expect the next big drop in early November. And I'll keep you updated